Hello pioneers, in this video we are going to be looking at the current price action for Pi network using key technical analytics tools like the demand and supply zones, and also key breakout zones to watch out for, so that we as a team can profit during the breakout. And also we'll further discuss what is responsible for the current market behavior, and also look at other factors like what the Pi team is currently doing behind the scenes. So with this and more, let's get into the video. But before going to doing all that, if you haven't subscribed to this YouTube channel, come on, what are you waiting for? You know you've got superpower, right? And it's about time you use it. Smash the subscription button so that whenever I make cool and awesome videos like this, you will be the first to watch and make more informed decisions that will make you financially independent in this year. So now that I've done it, let's go to all the beautiful things in the video. Here at CoinMarketCap, you can see that today's price, now the total market capitalization has decreased by a whopping 2.6% over the previous day, and currently, like Bitcoin, the king of cryptocurrency, it's sitting at $82,504,000. So that's a 2.77% decrease over the previous day. And you can see the total market capitalization right now is $2.7 trillion. So now we can see that currently the greed and fear sentiment is showing extreme fear. So what people are, so this is the current sentiment that traders have over like cryptocurrency. There's extreme fear. So what that means is that a lot of people will be selling off their cryptocurrency assets, and what that will mean is that there might be further decline in the price of cryptocurrency, right? So yeah, so you should know that this is a very good matrix to look at if you should buy or hold. So but then we will also look at the coin of interest today, which is Pi token, right? So if we go and search for Pi token now, so here Pi network, so here this is Pi, and this is the information. So yesterday it has gone up by 3.26%. now let me show us, sorry, the network is kind of bad, but now the total market capitalization is 10.36 billion, and the trading volume in all the exchanges is $879.87 million. So this is the diluted value. It's sitting around $148.3.24. Then market capitalization change in 24 hours here is 8.49%. so now we are going to be looking at trading view to see why this is happening. And one of the things that it's happening, right, you can see, okay, in 7 days, so like it's down by 7%, 17.16%. so we can look at like the monthly time frame. So by the monthly time frame is down by 15.45%, which I feel is pretty decent as compared to other cryptocurrencies. Now if you even look at like the king of cryptocurrencies, say Bitcoin, so let me open the tab. Bitcoin, now in a month, like it's most of the cryptocurrencies are down right now, and one of the reasons is because of the digital summit at the Oval Office by Donald Trump. So like his sentiment about cryptocurrency wasn't that strong, so he didn't say like specific things that will back up cryptocurrency. So that it's what made lots of retail investors and investment companies like Goldman Sachs and the rest pull out funds. And when there is a lot of liquidity out of the market, these things are bound to happen, right? So you're looking at Bitcoin, you can see that, let me go to Bitcoin. You can see, so over the day is down by 2.7%. so for Pi to be going up, right, amidst all this, then I feel yeah, it's actually like doing well, right? So here, so Bitcoin is coming down. Now, when we look at like the technical analysis, I will show you something very, very important further down the video that you take cognizance of. So here, now if we open trading view to like for the technical analysis, so let's open like trading view and see. So we'll look at the price action and how like it's currently affecting like the price of pi. And also one of the things you should remember is the post by Sam Zhu, Bybit CEO, about Pi network, that is a scam. I think it also have like a lot of negative effects on the market. But however, now I think with time all that is going to like fizzle out. So here this is the current price of pi, and here this is the daily time frame. So let's look at hourly time frame so that we can mark out like our support and resistance level. So if we pick up our trend line, let's open it in trading view. So for those of us that do not know like what trading view is, so basically it's where you do your technical analysis for commodities, for forex and indexes, right? So here now let's look at like this is a 4-hour time frame. Let's look at the daily time frame, right? So that will mark our support and resistance. So now you can see this, you see the reason why it's like this, right? Now this candle, this is the time, the daily time frame is basically the time that it takes one candle, right, to complete for the formation of one candle. So like this on the 20th, so on the 20th of February is when Pi network was listed. There is this on the 21st, 24th, 25th and all, so 23rd, 24th, 25th. So here you can see from here, let's bring out triangular tool. So here is a very, very strong support, right? And this is a strong demand zone that whenever price gets to this place, now something always happen, right? It's saw that when it got price got to this point, right? This 1.5 $1.53. Now it went down and it went down here, then like the bulls now pushed it forward, right, and it started breaking. Now you saw that it got to this same place, it went down, then this place is a strong resistance level. As it passed here, it started buying, and that's why we are seeing this buy, right? So we'll wait and see if it breaks above this resistance level, right, which has already broke. If we continue that trend, so what we are going to do, we are going to use our line tool and just draw a line across that. So you saw when it got to this place here, there's this pin bar here, there's this pin bar, right? Then it's rejected, then this buyers came in. So here it sold. When it got to this place, there's also like a support here, then it started buying. So let's go to the daily time frame so that we'll look out for opportunities, like buying opportunities of where we should be looking out for. So this line you see here is basically moving averages. So basically moving averages tells you like the market trend, right? So but that is not like the focus of, that's not our focus in this video. So here now this was like the line we drew. So let's look at to look at the market behavior, right? So there are a lot of things that are currently influencing this. So this was the lowest, excuse me, so here. So this was where it got to and retraced here. So let's refine that zone. So you can see that something always happens whenever it gets to this point here. Here it got to this point, right? There was like a rejection here. There was like a rejection here, like tiny rejection. So here it shows you that this is strong like demand zone, right? Then it started buying and went up. Now it got to that level again, it happened. Then the other tiny zones of interest like this point here, that it always look at when it gets to this point here. Now it was consolidating here, it got to this point, then it pushed up. When it got to this same point here, now it started buying, it got to this point, right? Now it bought. Now there's a rejection at this point, so we also mark that. So this is also, that is also a good support level. This is a good demand. So here, so you got is if you see here, right, to that point, so we can refine those levels and refine it. So good. So now what we are going to do now, this is where the current, the prices. So here, so there are other tiny to here. Let's look at this point. So this is a very like pivotal point. Now to also look at here, you can see like this change of structure. Now price was bullish here, it got to this point, then it went bearish. To here we also mark this point so that we can see these are like the zones that we'll be looking out for at $2. Now what we'll do is that we will make sure, let's see like the trajectory. Let's see where this today's candle is going to close. Now if it close above like this zone, this zone of interest, right, we know that it has broken this resistance at $1.56, $1.56. So if it breaks through that zone, then we are going to buy. We are going to look for buying opportunities and wait until we get profit. Or you can buy right now, because the thing is that why I don't want us to buy here. Look at this thing, is actually like a resistance here. This is a tiny resistance that you should also take note of. This point here, the tiny resistance, you can buy right and to tank to $1.02, right? So let us see if it's going to break above this. If it breaks above this, we wait, then we buy at this mark. We buy if it gets to $1.06, then we take our profit up there. But if it goes to, if it goes lower, if it goes below the $1.42, right, now we'll wait until it gets to $1.02, right, 22 cents, so that we'll buy from here. So basically that's going to be the best place to buy. So if you have any question, don't forget to drop in the comment section. I'll be glad to to attempt to you. And so basically that's all the things that I have to say. So basically the overall bias for Pi Network is actually bullish, right? And one of the things is that people have their reservations about the Pi Network, but regardless, like Pi Network, you should know that it's like one of the cryptocurrency projects that have very strong network. So that alone is actually a good um reason of being bullish on Pi Network. But however, let's see how next week is going to play out because of like the overall sentiment that people have over cryptocurrency. But aside that, um, I'm bullish on this. And also, we've not heard any official thing from from Binance yet as to when they are going to list. But however, let's see how that goes. If they don't list, for those of us that participated in the mining are already in profit. So it's a win-win for us. So till next time, I remain with Sonaji. And if you have any question, don't forget to ask in the comment section. And also, if you want to reach out to me, I'll be glad to also help you with any like questions you have about trading or cryptocurrencies, right? I love you and stay positive and stay like impactful. Do something positive for someone and you feel happy and you feel whole up happy. Till next time, bye.